Hi everyone! In this video I'll show you how you can easily configure the integration between Weblium and Google Sheets for free and without coding. I'll do it using the Apiway service. Apiway is a free integration platform where you can find appropriate software and integrate it with each other without any coding. Apiway charges money from software vendors and promote them in the software marketplace. That's why it is totally free and has no time limits for end users. Now let's move on to the integration. I've made a simple page in advance using the Weblium service, and here I've added a contact form. As you can see, here I have 3 fields: name, phone number and email. Also, I've made a sheet in the Google. In the first row, you can see the same fields. You can add any other field that you need. I just want to show you how it works. Now let's go to the Apiway. First, you need to sign up. After you've done this, go to the tab Apps and add Weblium and Google Sheets. Then go to the My Apps. Now you should connect them to your account. If you click on the Weblium, you will see that it is already connected. Now let's connect Google Sheets. Click the button Plug, then Sign in with Google. On this page, you should choose which account you want to connect. Click the button Allow. It returns you to Apiway and you will see the green text. Now both apps are connected. We can start to configure the integration. Click Create Away. You can give it the name which you need. For example, Weblium and Google Sheets. Here you can see the field Trigger. What is a trigger? Well, it's the cause which makes action to take place. In our case, it's Weblium. After a moment, you will see the link. If you try to go through this link, it won't work. It is only an address to which the data will be sent. Receiving data to this link will be the trigger. You should copy it. Now I return to Weblium. Here I find Go to Settings, then click Form Management and here find Integrations. From this list you should choose Webhooks. Click Add Webhook and paste our link here. If you see this green check mark, it works. Now return to the website editing page and click in the center of your contact form. Here in the tab Integration, also find Webhook and switch it on. Then you should publish your website and go through this link. Next, go to the Apiway and click Update Available Fields. Now you have 3 minutes to complete the contact form. It will be the test data which will teach the service to receive the information. I go to my website and complete the form. Since I use trial, the data that I'll receive is different. It will be only a dummy contact information, but the principle remains the same. Then I return to Apiway again, and you can see that different fields have appeared here. They vary in different services. Now let's set up an action. In the field Choose a Service, choose Google Sheets. If you connected all correctly, you will see it here. Here choose Create Spreadsheet Row. It means when you get new data, the system will fill in the rows in the sheets with information. Then test the connection and after that click Update Available Fields. First select Spreadsheet that you need. Then select Worksheet. Here you can have a lot of worksheet, but you have to choose that one in which you want to add information. For me, it will be sheet number 1. And the service show you fields which you have here in your sheet. Click the plus sign for name and choose what you need here. For me, it will be the fields Contact Form, Name, Value. Then do the same for phone number and email. Then click Test and Activate. If you want to edit it, you should find it in the tab My Ways, deactivate it and change everything you need. But don't forget to activate it again. Now I will complete the form one more time to check that everything works. Transmission of the data may take a little time. Sometimes it appears immediately, sometimes you have to wait for a while. The time of waiting is up to 15 minutes. Now I'll go to Google Sheets, and you can see that the dummy data is here: name, email, phone number. In such way, data will appear in rows below, filling in the sheet. This way, you can easily make integration and automate your work. And of course, don't forget to go to the Apiway website, look through the categories, choose appropriate software for you, and make your business process better.